Hello! Today I'm going to show you this very special and exclusive property in the municipality of Assisi. You can see it's a house. It used to be an old farmhouse. They restored it completely. And well, they didn't even restore it. They rebuilt it. They torn it down and they rebuilt the house completely between 2006 and 2011, more or less. Okay, you have beautiful views here over the so-called Valle Umbra, which is the valley below Assisi between Spoleto, Foligno, Montefalco, up till Perugia, Assisi, of course, also, but also Perugia. I will show you. Okay, it's a large house in excellent shape, as you can see, and it also has a small annex over there. Okay, well, I will show you the garden first. The garden has a beautiful terrace. It has a few terraces, actually. This one with great views over the valley, a lovely terrace where you can sit in summertime. And then there is another terrace below here, plus a third one below. They have some olive trees, about 30 of them. This is the olive picking period of the year, so everybody is picking olives now. And here is the house. It's the stone-built part, and then they also added another part to it. Over here you can see, well, it's a bit hazy now, but over there is the city of Perugia, and you also have Santa Maria degli Angeli over there, and even the town of Assisi itself can be seen from here. Let me see if I can show it. Yes, over there, see? Here is Assisi. So it's really something special. You have Monte Subasio above us, so it's really a very special location. Beautiful house, beautiful garden, very special place with San Francesco, who used to live here, and Assisi is a pilgrimage place. All year long you have people coming over, and also here you go. All right, and well, it's also a UNESCO heritage, the whole area of Assisi. Okay, so this is the back of the house. You can enter with your car over here, but there also is another entrance below on the lower floor. This is a very nice little kitchen, a dépendance. This is where they cook in summertime when it's very hot. They cook here, and you have, again, the garden, the beautiful views from here. And this old building has been restored and turned into a little kitchen. And then they eat outside here in the garden. Okay, well, let me start over here. This is the corridor. And we have a service bathroom here with the heating system, the gas heater. They have an LPG heating system. And here is the kitchen. Very nice and cozy kitchen with all the appliances. The kitchen will stay. The rest will leave. They will take out the furniture. Okay, so here we are at the terrace again, from inside with the beautiful views. Okay, they have these antique 17th century doors that are very special. Here is the sitting room with a nice place to sit with several people, and again a door leading outside, French doors. And this is the sitting room, okay, with a fireplace, and in fact they use a pellet stove in here now, and they use the fireplace in the kitchen itself. Okay, now let me go to the other side of the corridor. There is a study here, an office or whatever you like, with a window to the back of the house. Okay. Each floor is about 113 square meters large. So this is the official entrance with the great, magnificent staircase going up. I'll show you later. So actually, this is the main entrance. So when you come from the entrance over here, where I just started before, and you enter this door, through this door, then this is the main entrance, okay? With the wardrobe and the stairs going up, the sitting room, as I showed you before, okay? The dining room, the kitchen behind it, the study, and over there is a door going downstairs, with stairs going down and to the garage. But first I'll show you the first floor where all the bedrooms are. This beautiful staircase, and here also they have these very antique, beautiful doors which they put in. This is a small study again, very handy, with a balcony and views onto Monte Subasio over there again. Okay. And then from this study we enter a bedroom, large-sized bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, shower room, as you can see. Again, beautiful doors. It's a very exclusive place, really. And here we enter, there are some guest rooms. This is a guest room 1 with a nice window and views over the valley. This is room number 2, guest room 2, so it would be bedroom number 3. Here is a storage area. And here we go to the other side of the corridor where the large bathroom is, with a bath and a shower. And also a bidet and everything. This is the shower here behind the door. Okay. They have an alarm system. Another thing is they have underfloor heating. It's also very interesting. This is the main bedroom, the master bedroom, with beautiful views onto the valley, the garden over there, and Assisi and Perugia and the whole valley, the Valle Umbra below us, with all the olive groves that you can see. It's just fantastic. And today is also a beautiful day, nice weather, perfect for olive picking. Okay, so here we have another bathroom with a shower, and here is a walk-in closet, well, also very handy for all your storage. And here you have the views again onto the valley with the palm trees and the little dépendance over there where they have their kitchen. Okay, so let me see, we can go down. So I said the whole property is about 400 square meters large, everything works perfectly. They have underground floor heating. You see, underfloor heating it's called. And they have wood heating, and for some wood stoves, open fireplace. But everything is mostly heated on gas, LPG gas. And here we go down to the lower floor, which was newly built when they rebuilt the property. And as you can see, there is this huge room here, which they call the taverna, very large, with this very nice and cozy fireplace where they sit around and cook and have fun together and have a chat. And they can, with this long table will stay. It's one of the few furniture pieces that will stay. You can sit here and dine with 20 people if you want. And then here there also is a small bathroom, okay, with a shower. And here is let me see if I can show this. Yeah, here is a storage room, very handy for all your marmalades and oil and whatever you want to store over there, like a pantry. And this is the garage, the underground garage, which has an entrance from over there, from the garden. It's very large, very handy. There is a whole lot of wood storage, and here we have a small laundry, and this is the technical room for the heating system with the several units for the underfloor heating. As you can see, it's all in perfect state and very well organized. So this house is really very well. You don't have to do anything about it. You can just move in, put your furniture in. This is the pallet that they use for pellet stove in the sitting room. Then here we enter the lower part of the garden, and you have the view onto the olive trees. There are some kaki trees. There is the wall here below the house where the terrace is over there. Look at this huge cypress tree. It's beautiful, into the wall. And there is a lower terrace there as well. We have about 2,000 square meters of land around the house. This is a caper plant, capperi in Italian, and some nuts, hazelnuts. And this terrace also belongs to it. So you have the wall here, the terraces over there, the whole garden above, with a house of about 400 square meters on 3 floors, with 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms in all, a taverna, a garage, an extra kitchen, all you need. And so if you want more information on the price and you want to see some more pictures, go to our website www.lecasadidori.com. Bye bye.